Alrighty, and now it's going to be a 2000 PSI pressure washer versus a old dirty grill. Not really that dirty, but look at that. They're kind of gross looking. Kind of gunked up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit gunked up. Put those out. And the inside got a little bit of grease on it. A little bit. Anyway, we'll see if this thing can actually get somewhat clean. Bag on there got it all. Bag on there got it all. Now this one's way dirtier, right? I mean, look at that build up. Ooh. And of course, all over my fingers. Now I should probably say, the guy we got this off of took the time to scrape this thing. Scrape it. There was a lot left on there from when he scraped it, and we got it almost pristine with just a little bit of water. I still need to do the other side, but we need to finish these ribs. Okay guys, here she is. Not perfect, but way easier and way better than scraping. And of course there's still some black on there. That's from touching the underside, because I mean there's not really that much black on this finger here. A little bit. Anyway, a lot cleaner than it was. She's not easy, guys.